In this video, we'll be showing you why your tickets or products may not be showing. There could be several possible reasons for this. First, log in as administrator. From your main navigation, head to Admin, Events, where you can check all aspects of your event sales have been set up correctly by using the Product Status Checker report, which can be found in your event management menu for the relevant event. This report confirms how many products have been listed, that the event sales start and end dates have been entered, and lists all products so you can review their status. If a product is flagged as display, which we'll cover shortly, and the current date is between the start and end dates defined, then the product will show as being on sale. If a product is currently not on sale, it will appear here with a red cross. To make any amends to this product, simply click on the product name. If no tickets or products have been added for sale, the Product Status Checker report will advise this. You can click on the link to the FAQ shown for further information on how to add tickets or products. If no event sales start and end dates have been entered, the report will advise this. You can then head back to the event setup page to add these. If the dates entered fall outside of the current date, then these will show with red crosses on the report, and any products for those events will not be visible in your shop. You can see from the report if the date has been set at the event level, which will show with the letter E, or at product level, which will show with the letter P. You can amend these dates by clicking on the product name. In addition to the Product Status Checker, you can check your settings manually using these steps. First, check your tickets and products are set to display. To access your product settings, click on Tickets and Products from the Event Management menu. In the product page, click on the SKU of the product to edit it. Scroll down to the Display field and ensure that it has been checked. Lastly, you can check that you have not converted your event to a product group or vice versa. Browse to Admin, Product Groups, and if your event is there, select Convert to an event from the Product Group Management menu to convert it back to an event. And that's it. Running through these steps mean your tickets or products are now showing for sale. Head to our other tutorials and FAQs for any further guidance you require, from setting up events to holding a raffle. Thanks for watching.